Hello, and welcome to Apostille Near Me. Embark on a seamless journey into the world of Apostille services with our online process. We specialize in processing documents from the United States for international use in countries such as Spain, Portugal, Mexico, China, the Philippines, and beyond. Our comprehensive services include licensed legal document assistants, notary public, and court licensed translators proficient in various languages. Experience the simplicity of our online process. 1. Navigate through our unique and user-friendly checkout form tailored to your specific document type and service requirements. Make a secure payment, provide necessary information, and effortlessly ship your documents to us. Take advantage of our offered shipping label for added convenience. 2. Relax as we promptly receive, review, and process your documents. Our commitment is to keep the waiting period brief, ranging from the same day to a maximum of 7 business days. We are always available to provide updates, answer queries, and accommodate any urgent deadlines. 3. Receive your meticulously processed documents at your designated address through our reliable overnight delivery service. Your documents will be flawlessly organized and ready for submission to their intended destination. To start the online order process, if you have not yet, please click on Start Apostille. If you have already clicked, continue with the process by answering the questions. Note, if this involves an FBI document requiring Apostille, please click on our FBI tab as the process is different, going through the Department of State in Washington, D.C. Then scroll down and click on Start Apostille. However, if you don't feel comfortable starting the process online, please call us toll-free at the number 1-800-889-7850, and we will guide you to our nearest office to complete the process. For any questions, feel free to reach out and our dedicated team will be delighted to assist you at support@apostillenearme.com.